What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the JRD Motorsports vlog. We're here at Delaware Speedway for the Qwick Wick United Racing Series race number 2. We missed race number 1. We had a substitute driver, that guy, and unfortunately he had issues and got involved in a wreck, and we currently sit last in points now. So only place to go from here is up. It's just race 2, so lots of time to rebound. We rode on Wednesday night testing the car and finally got her. She was a rocket ship, so I'm hoping that carries into tonight. I'm confident it will. And hopefully we can go chase a checker flag. It's not been the start of the season that we want by any means, but TSN turning point right here tonight, celebrating Canada Day weekend at Delaware Speedway. We have our issues sorted and we're good to go. P2 in practice here tonight. I'm really happy with the car. First practice wasn't great, and then we made a little change, and she's a rocket ship. So, go out there and see if we can get ourselves an Epic Race Wear Pole Award, and hopefully we can start on the front row and lead them all tonight. That's the goal. It's good to be fast again. Well, they're going green. I guess we should wrap this up. We'll see you after the race. recap on tonight's activities at Delaware Speedway. We wound up finishing 8th after we were sent to the rear for the start of the feature race. We qualified 3rd, just shy of the pole, and as we were sitting on the scales getting weighed post-qualifying, we had a tire going flat. So we ended up putting a scuff tire on, a tire that was used and older than the one that was on the car. And the official said we had to go to the back because we made an unapproved adjustment post-race or post-qualifying. So, is what it is. Do I agree? No, but the officials have the final say, and we play on their playground. So, we'll carry on with that. It is what it is. Started dead last. The race went 50 laps green to checkered, and we drove up and finished P8, which we just looked, and that puts us up to 10th in points after Rick's unfortunate wreck at Peterborough when he was subbing for us 2 weeks ago. So, car's in one piece. The good news, the other good news is we were the fastest car on the track once we got cleared. So if I seem disappointed, it's because I know that I'm going to be bold. I'm going to say we should have won tonight. Like, the car was really good. When you're the fastest car, you should win. So, yeah, I'm rambling. I'm just disappointed. You know, 8th is still a decent run, but circumstances out of our control, and we'll carry on. We're back here next Friday night for Delaware Speedway Weekly Racing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. We're growing, and yeah, I'm disappointed, but the car's in one piece and it's a rocket ship. So what else do you want?